In this video, I'm going to show you how to access Evernote online quickly and easily, so you can get to your notes from any computer or browser without needing to install anything first. This is a simple method, whether you're using Evernote for work, school, personal planning, or just keeping your ideas organized in one place. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Safari, Firefox, or any modern browser you already have installed. In the address bar, type Evernote's official website address, which is evernote.com, and press enter. Make sure you are going to the official site so you can sign in safely and avoid any fake login pages. Once the Evernote homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see a login button, or sometimes a continue button, depending on the page layout. Click that button to move to the sign-in page. Now you'll be asked to enter your login details. If you already have an Evernote account, type in your email address or username and your password. If you used Google to create your account, you can choose the Google sign-in option instead. And if you signed up with Apple, you can use Apple's single sign-on as well. This makes it easy to log in without remembering another password if you connected one of those accounts before. After you enter your details, click the sign-in button and wait a moment while Evernote loads your account. If your login information is correct, you'll be taken straight into your Evernote web dashboard. This is the online version of Evernote, and it gives you access to your notes, notebooks, tags, and saved content right inside the browser. From here, you can open any note you want, search for information, create new notes, and continue working just like you would in the app. The best part is that your notes stay synced across devices, so anything you update online will also reflect on your phone, tablet, or desktop app if you use those too. If you ever have trouble logging in, double-check that you are using the correct email address and password. You can also use the Forgot Password option if needed. And if the page is not loading properly, refresh the browser or try signing in with a different browser window. So that's how to access Evernote online in just a few simple steps. Open the official website, click Login or Continue. Sign in with your email, Google, or Apple account, and then start using your notes right from the web. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy software guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.